Resin Piece is the first reusable, rapid cleaning device designed specifically for pipes. I am Eric Harnum, founder and CEO at Grappling Ghost, and I invented Resin Piece to solve a problem many cannabis users face. Traditional cleaning methods are messy, harsh, and rely on single-use materials that waste time and money. This efficient, vortex-powered cleaner offers a faster and more sustainable solution. For this demonstration, we're going to use a heavily resin-packed pipe. This pipe has been used more than average, but I wanted to use a heavily caked piece to show you just how clean we can get it. The setup is simple. Place your piece inside the reservoir using a specialized clip, and then fill the reservoir with warm water, covering the entire piece that you have in there. Once done, we're going to attach the lid to the reservoir and then attach it to the machine base. Once attached, we'll power it on. For this demonstration, we're going to clean the pipe for 2 minutes, showing proof of concept for Resin Piece, a patent-pending device that is going to change the cannabis smoking experience. Using only warm water and just 2 minutes with a powerful circulating motion, Resin Piece cleans dirty pipes in minutes, not hours, with no scraping, no soaking, and no single-use plastic bags. Inside the device, a propeller creates a controlled vortex that moves water through and around the pipe, loosening and lifting resin from both the inside and outside surfaces. Every detail of Resin Piece focuses on efficiency and ease of use. The motor is compact but powerful, keeping the water moving continuously around the pipe. Resin Piece is engineered for real-world cleaning. It is sturdy, simple, and built to last. People use glass pieces daily, and current cleaning methods are messy, expensive, and still leave residue behind. People want something simple, effective, and reusable, and nothing on the market offers a fast chemical-free solution. That is why I designed Resin Piece. My goal was to create a device that actually works and removes the hassle and time of removing resin. No chemicals, no scraping, no soaking, no waiting. It is a greener option too, with one reusable device replacing one-use plastic bags and bottles of harsh cleaners. Resin Piece is not a repurposed gadget. It is a purpose-built device engineered specifically for pipe cleaning, offering a clean, convenient experience users have been waiting for. While we wait the last few seconds of the cleaning cycle, I want to share that Resin Piece breaks down into multiple pieces for easy cleaning between uses. The device will be dishwasher safe, or it can be washed with soap and water by hand. Simply wash and rinse Resin Piece, let it dry, and it's ready for its next use. We are now at the end of the 2-minute cycle. Let's take a look at how well it cleaned. We'll unscrew the lid from the reservoir, and then we will pour out all the dirty water that the resin has been taken off with. And as you can see in the reservoir and pouring out, a lot of resin has come out of that pipe already. Next, you'll take your pipe off of the clip, and then we'll just rinse it off to get all that little extra resin that is stuck inside the bowl and inside the stem. And we'll just rinse all of that out. And then we'll take a look, and we can see from that really heavily caked resin pipe that we started with, we can now see clearly through it, and we'll continue to rinse off what's inside. And after another rinsing of 2 minutes or less, this pipe will be absolutely clean, ready to dry and go again. We are currently seeking investment partners to help bring Resin Piece into full production. Funding will support manufacturing, tooling, certifications, and expanded distribution. Investors will be part of launching a unique patent-pending product into a high-growth accessories market that values convenience, sustainability, and innovation. So if you are interested in learning more about investment options, product timelines, or early-stage partnership opportunities, please reach out to us at Grappling Ghost, at contact@grapplingghost.com. May all your dirty pipes res in peace.